You mentioned that Alabama is a non-judicial foreclosure, but there's also something known as judicial foreclosure.
Yes.
So that's, I want to just talk about the difference between those two.
A non-judicial foreclosure means that the bank goes through the process that I just outlined.
Right.
Run it in the paper for 3 consecutive weeks, and then basically an attorney shows up on the courthouse steps, announces that it's going to be foreclosed unless you show up with the money in hand. And typically the bank's lawyer will bid in a certain amount, and assuming that there's nobody else there to bid, which typically there's not, the bank then takes back ownership of the property. In a judicial foreclosure state, they actually have to file a lawsuit, and it has to go through the whole judicial process,
Right.
Which is a lot more lengthy in those states.
They don't do the courthouse steps thing.
They don't do the courthouse steps things. Alabama does.
You like these legal terms? I just throw out the courthouse step thing.
And do people really do that? I mean, do they go on the steps of the courthouse?
The attorney actually does go onto the courthouse steps, usually between
How about that?
11 and 4, and they announce basically in the paper what they've listed as the judicial legal description,
Right.
and what bank is foreclosing.
Wow.